You can use conditional formatting to change what the contents of a cell looks like based on a condition. First, highlight the range you want to include. Then click Format and Conditional Formatting. Decide what criteria you want to be true and how you want to format the cell. For example, if a specific word is found, the spreadsheet can change the cell fill color and the text color. You can add another rule, or if you just have finish, press done. If you change your mind, you can still add another rule. You can create rules based on numbers as well. Watch this.